Don't start bitching at me. You listen to this. The Protestant Church of America has issued a RFID warning for the following countries of the world: the United States, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, China, Japan, Australia, Indonesia, Russia, France, Spain, Portugal, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, Poland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary and Greece. The priest said that the RFID implant is going to be started today. So go away from the doctors that wants RFID under your skin. This is not a joke. If it was a joke, I will not be on this alert all around the world. So don't think about accepting RFID or you will burn in hell for eternity, because RFID is the mark of the beast, also known as 666. The next target to RFID is Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, Sweden, Finland, Norway, Latvia and Estonia. If you want to survive the implant, please go to a shelter immediately. Code Red is now in effect. The Apocalypse Part 2 has started. The side effects of RFID is no church, no liberty, coughing, vomiting, burning in hell, sleepiness, ataxia, kidney failure and headache. Accept it, but again, reject RFID and run away, because rejecting RFID could case execution. Please, run away with a car in the street. RFID could control you by devil and she-devil that makes you go to Satan's kingdom. As Catherine Albrecht says that you must reject RFID, listen again and again. The Protestant Church of America has issued a RFID warning for the following countries of the world: the United States, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, China, Japan, Australia, Indonesia, Russia, France, Spain, Portugal, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, Poland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary and Greece.